Good morning, one and all. Here we are, 28th of July on this fine day. We're going to look at the economic calendar, see if there's anything you need to be aware of time-wise, and also the strength of the Forex market to see if you can help you with a basket for today. Now, today is actually quite an odd day, because as we start with the strengths, what we'll see is there's been hardly any movement since the last data sample. Everything is pretty static. The euro's still at the top, pound's still at the bottom, JP is sort of closing around the bottom as well. So my normal go-to, pound JPY, it could be anywhere today. So my targets aren't going to be great, but it is Monday, so I have to be careful anyway. And if I'm looking at change of strengths, if I flick it over, JPY is losing a lot more ground than what the pound is. So there might be a little bit of an opportunity there. But if I look at sort of euro pound, which is the ones that are furthest apart, the ATR on a euro pound is normally really very small. So it's not even worth looking at. So I've got to start looking at something that might well be in the realms of possibility. So what I would do at this point is I'll start working my way down and I'll look at this lot. So what about Euro US? Yeah, but they're still at the upper side. Pound JPY, they're sitting together. US JPY. Now we've got JPY at the bottom section, USD at the top. So is there an opportunity here? Probably. So it's going to be hard going today from this perspective. But the biggest gain was the Canadian and the biggest drop was the New Zealand dollar. But when we move over into the news, this might also explain why things are a little bit flat. Now, let me kind of just flick that over and I will show you. Now, talking of showing things, if you're a member of the Scruffy Squad, you get to see these videos as they're released. Because they all have early access, no matter the level. Public-wise, it's mid-morning. So what I'm getting at, it's shown here and why things might be a bit flat. There is no news at all today. Nothing. It'll be a fully technical day. The only thing to worry about is at 8 o'clock tonight. And even that won't really do much. And if I flick the filters on, just take the low noise out, bash. That's it. That's all you've got to worry about today. So today's a technical day, but it is Monday, so be careful. The only other news is we have Trump over in the UK having a chat with Starmer. There might be a little bit of ripples in the pond because of that, but again, it's all hearsay. Nothing will be done until something is said. So who knows? Who knows? But we are in a new age of Twitter, etc., where a tweet can spike the market slightly. But my theory is always the same. I only trade what I see, and I never trade what I think. Thank you very much. Got my coffee, because we all know Scruffy likes coffee. Yes, I always trade what I see, not what I think, and I don't try and preempt the markets. And then that way, I'm never caught. Anyway, have yourselves a great day. Catch us all soon.